Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start on the color page, pick your clip and add a serial node right away. Alt plus S speeds this up. Once the node is active, make sure scopes are visible so you can read luma and color shifts. You'll use the primary controls, so open the primary wheels panel. It's faster than hunting through menus. This first step gets your workspace ready and establishes a non-destructive node baseline, so you can tweak saturation confidently without altering the original clip. You now control saturation at 2 levels, global and selective. First, enter the saturation box in the primary wheels and nudge the number. Small increments like 2-5 points matter. Watch scopes as you move. Once done, switch to the Curves tab and pick Hue vs Sat to target problematic hues. Drag points to desaturate or boost specific colors without affecting everything. Make sure to toggle the node on and off to compare before versus after, so you keep natural skin tones. Finish by adding a second serial node for final, non-destructive global saturation tweaks. You'll preserve earlier selective work. Once done, play the clip and watch the RGB parade. If any channel clips, pull saturation down or reduce contrast. If colors still look off, check your project color space and timeline settings. Mismatched color management can exaggerate saturation. Finally, render a short test segment to confirm output. If issues persist, revert to the first node and reset individual controls rather than starting over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.